Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4. So let us start with the first question. Find A transpose if A is equal to this square matrix. So this is pretty easy, right? We just have to interchange the rows and the columns. So A transpose will be equal to, here we will have 1, 3, which was the first row, now becomes the first column, and then minus 4 and 5. Okay, which is the second row becomes the second column. Fine, that's it. Now next, A is equal to this matrix. So this is a 2 cross 3 matrix. So of course A transpose में अगर हम rows and columns को interchange करने वाले, so this is going to become a 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, the first row becomes the first column and the second row becomes the second column. Okay, and that is the value for A transpose. That's it. Let's do the next question. If A is equal to Aij, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix, and each element is defined in this way that Aij is equal to 2i minus j, first of all find A and A transpose. State whether A and A transpose are both symmetric or skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so first of all हमको वो matrix ढूंढना है. So A is going to be equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix. First let me write down all the elements general form में. Now we will use this formula and we will find out all these elements. So A11 is equal to, this is going to be 1 minus 1, तो ये तो 0 होगा. Next A12 is equal to, यहाँ पे 1 minus 2 करेंगे तो minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Next A13 is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Next A21 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is 2. A22 is equal to 0. A23 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then next we have A31 which is equal to 4. Next A32 which is equal to 3 minus 2 करेंगे 1 into 2 is 2. And next A33 is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is 0. I have already written this row wise only. ठीक है, तो A matrix लिखना भी बहुत easy होगा. So matrix A is equal to 0, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and then we have 4, 2 and 0. Actually इसको observe करने पे ही पता चल रहा है that this is a skew symmetric matrix. बराबर, ये सब negative है along the diagonal and diagonal elements भी 0 है, तो it is a skew symmetric matrix. लेकिन हम लोग फिर भी question में पूछा है करके, let's find A transpose. So this is first row becomes first column, then second row is second column, and third row is third column. Okay, and we are getting very clearly that A transpose is equal to minus A. Negative है of the original matrix, correct? So therefore, both A and A transpose are skew symmetric matrices. Now let's do the next question. In the third question, if we have that A is equal to this matrix, which is a 3 cross 2 matrix, then prove that the transpose of A transpose is equal to A. This is very easy, पर फिर भी हम कर लेते हैं. So this is a 3 cross 2 matrix. पहले A transpose निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा? This will become 5, 4, minus 2. First column becomes first row and then second row becomes second column. Okay. This is a 2 cross 3 matrix. वापस हम इसको करेंगे ट्रांसपोज तो हमको मिलने वाला है ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स ही. तो क्या होगा इसमें भी, फर्स्ट रो बन जाएगा फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो 5, 4, minus 2 और ये minus 3 and 1 which is nothing but the original matrix. So therefore A transpose का transpose is equal to A. Okay. Now next question. If A is equal to this 3 cross 3 matrix, then prove that A transpose is equal to A. So you can clearly see actually that this is a symmetric matrix and hence A is equal to A transpose. However, we need to prove this, so we have to find A transpose for that. So you first write the first row as the first column, second row as the second column, and third row as the third column. And on checking, you will actually get that this is the same as the original matrix. and therefore we have that A transpose is equal to A. That's it. Okay, let's do the next question now. In the fifth question, we have three matrices A, B and C. All are 3 cross 2 matrices. We want to prove that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose and A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So for that, first of all, let's prove the first part, and इसमें we will start with the LHS. So we want to find A plus B the whole transpose. इसके लिए पहले हमें A plus B करना होगा. So first I'll write down these matrices. Which is equal to 4 minus 2, 9 minus 5, then we have minus 9 and we have 4. Okay, सबको ऐड किया है करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को. इसका ट्रांसपोज लेना है अभी. सो A plus B ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू, नाउ दिस वाज अ 3 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स, अभी हो जाएगा एक 2 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स. ओके, सो दिस बिकम्स 4 9 minus 2 minus 5 and 4. Okay, this is the value for A plus B transpose. Now RHS में क्या करना होगा? First we will have to find A transpose. तो इंडिविजुअली A का ट्रांसपोज लेंगे हम पहले, तो उसके लिए इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेना है. So first row becomes first column and hence we have that this becomes 2 minus 3, फिर 5 minus 4 and minus 6 and 1. ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस. सिमिलरली हम B के साथ भी करेंगे. So B transpose is equal to 2 4 minus 3. This was the first column which becomes the first row now, and second column becomes second row. Okay, now let us add these two up. So we get A transpose plus B transpose is equal to, now let's add. So 4 9 minus 9 minus 2 फिर minus 5 and 4. And if you check, then this and this are exactly the same, and hence we have that A plus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, that is how you're supposed to do these questions. They are very easy, ऐसे कोई difficult नहीं है. Now let us do the next part, which is A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So for this पहले हम LHS के साथ start करेंगे. So LHS में we have A minus C का transpose. तो पहले तो A minus C निकालना होगा. So first let me write down the matrices. This is A and this is C. Let's subtract. So we get that this is equal to 1, then we have minus 5, then we have 6, then we have minus 8, then we have minus 6 plus 2 which is minus 4, and 1 minus 3 which is minus 2. Okay, and इसके बाद we will also have to find A minus C transpose. So A minus C transpose is equal to, this becomes the first row and this becomes the second row. So this is the value for A minus C transpose. अभी हमें ढूंढना है A ट्रांसपोज माइनस C ट्रांसपोज. तो मैं ये अभी डायरेक्टली करने वाली हूँ सो दैट इस पेज पे ही फिट हो जाए. सो A ट्रांसपोज तो हमने ऑलरेडी निकाला हुआ है ना, तो दैट इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे जो मैट्रिक्स लिखा है वो. ठीक है, सो आई विल राइट दैट डाउन फर्स्ट, एंड उसके बाद वी विल ऑल्सो राइट डाउन C ट्रांसपोज साथ में ही, तो एक साथ ही हो जाएगा पूरा प्रूव. C ट्रांसपोज इज इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज. ठीक है, so that is 1 minus 2 and then 2 4 and 3. अभी इसको subtract कर देते हैं. So then we will get that this is equal to 1, this is equal to 6, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 8 minus 8 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and ये और ये तो मैच करता है. Therefore, A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Okay, and that is the answer for the fifth question. इन द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन वी आर गिवन मेट्राइसेस A एंड B एंड फिर हमें बोला है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड C ट्रांसपोज सच दैट ये सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, ठीक है। तो हमें एक्चुअली पहले C को ढूंढना होगा इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके एंड फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज लेना होगा, ठीक है। तो इसके लिए राइट नाउ वी हैव 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I, and then if I take everything to the other side I get C is equal to I minus 3A plus 2B, okay, and therefore I का वैल्यू तो मुझे पता है, right, it is 1 0 0 1 identity matrix minus 3 into A is given, so that is 5 4 minus 2 3 plus 2 into B which is also given, and now इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके हमें बस कंबाइन कर देना है सब कुछ, तो हमें C का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट द ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज टेक ट्रांसपोज. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई ईच ऑफ दीज इनसाइड. पहले वाले में 3 मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो वी गेट 15 12 minus 6 9 प्लस नाउ 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो -2 6 8 -2. Okay, now let us combine everything. So in that case we get 1 minus 15 minus 2. So that is 1 minus 17 which is equal to minus 16. 0 minus 12 plus 6 which is minus 6. Next 0 minus minus 6 मतलब plus 6 plus 8 हो जाएगा, that is 14. And lastly this is 1 minus 9 minus 2 which is going to be equal to 1 minus 11 which is minus 10. This is the value for C. तो C transpose क्या होगा? We just have to interchange the rows and the columns. So this becomes minus 16, minus 6, 14 and minus 10. That is the value for C transpose. Okay. Now let us do the 7th question. In the 7th question, we have matrices A and B and then we have to find these things, okay. तो इसके लिए first दोनों के लिए we need A transpose and B transpose, तो वो कर लेते हैं. तो A transpose is equal to, अभी ये हो जाएगा एक 3 cross 2 मैट्रिक्स, तो 7 3 0 कॉलम में आएगा और फिर 0 4 -2 वापस सेकेंड कॉलम. एंड B transpose is going to be 0 -2 3 and 2 1 and -4. Okay. अभी इसके बाद let us find this. So this is A transpose plus 4B transpose which is equal to 7 3 0 0 4 -2 plus 4 into 0 2 -2 1 3 and -4. ठीक है. So we'll multiply this. On multiplying we get 0 8 -8 4 12 minus 16 और फिर इसको ऐड कर देंगे तो वी गेट 7 8, देन यहाँ पे वील गेट -5 8 12 एंड -18. ओके, एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड 5A ट्रांसपोज minus 5B ट्रांसपोज. तो लेट्स डू दैट. सो फर्स्ट वील मल्टीप्लाई दिस इनसाइड. हम ऑल्सो ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि हम 5 को कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे फिर भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ऐसा पॉसिबल है. लेकिन आई थिंक अभी वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट ऑल्सो. तो दिस इज 35 0 15 20 0 -10 एंड माइनस अभी 5 को वापस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 10, यहाँ पे -10 5 15 एंड -20. अभी इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वी विल गेट 35. नेक्स्ट 0 -10 इज -10, देन वी हैव 25, देन वी हैव 15 -15 एंड हियर वी हैव 10. ओके, दैट इज द वैल्यू फॉर 5A ट्रांसपोज minus 5B transpose. Now let us look at the 8th question. In the 8th question we have A, B, C and we have to verify the statement. Okay. So for this पहले हम क्या करेंगे, let's consider the LHS. LHS के लिए first of all I need to find A plus 2B plus 3C. फिर इसके बाद इसका ट्रांसपोज लेंगे. तो पहले तो we will write down all these matrices, then we will multiply with those scalars जो है लिखे हुए हैं उसके बाजू में. ठीक है, फिर सबको हमें ऐड करना होगा. ओके, सो देन लास्ट इज C, which is 0, 2, 3, -1 and 0. Now let us multiply and add. So I have multiplied that 2 and 3 everywhere. अभी हम add करते हैं. So 1 plus 4 plus 0 is just 5. 0 plus 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. 1 minus 8 plus 9. So that is equal to 2. Next, 3 plus 6 minus 3 is just 6. 1, 10 and minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. And 2 minus 4, 0 is equal to minus 2. This is the value for A plus 2B plus 3C. अभी इसका ट्रांसपोज भी ले लेते हैं. So ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो we get just that जो भी रो है वो अभी कॉलम हो जाएगा. Okay, and this is our answer. Now we'll find the RHS. RHS में पहले इंडिविजुअली सबका हमें ट्रांसपोज लेना होगा, उसके बाद हम लोग सबको ऐड करेंगे. तो A ट्रांसपोज के लिए हम लोग को इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेना है, विच इज 1 0 1 3 1 2. ओके, नेक्स्ट हमें B ट्रांसपोज के लिए इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेना है. सो B ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू 2 1 -4 3 5 and -2. And lastly, C transpose is equal to 0 2 3 -1 and 0. Fine. Now we have to put it into that condition. हमें A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose calculate करना है. So that is equal to I'm going to multiply 2 directly. So we get 4, 6, 2, 10, -8, -4. And lastly, now I'll multiply 3. So that is 0, -3, 6, -3, 9 and 0. अभी हम सब कुछ ऐड कर देंगे. So 1 plus 4 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 6 minus 3 is 6. 0 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 10 is 11, minus 3 is 8. Next, 1 minus 8 plus 9 is 2 and 2 minus 4 is equal to -2. And if you can observe, this matrix and this matrix are exactly the same. And therefore, we have proved that A plus 2B plus 3C transpose is equal to A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose. Let's do the next question. Let us solve the 9th question. In the 9th question, we have A and B, and we have to prove that A plus B transpose, the whole transpose, is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. तो first of all हम लोग B transpose calculate करते हैं. ठीक है, तो B transpose is going to be 2 -3 -1 1 2 and 3. And A transpose भी calculate कर लेते हैं. A transpose will therefore be -1 2 1 -3 2 and -3. Fine. अभी इसमें पुट करते हैं. ठीक है, so we want to calculate first of all A plus B transpose, which is going to be equal to, पहले A लिख लेते हैं, then I'm writing B transpose. And then on adding them, we get -3 plus 1 is -2. Then this is 4 and this is 0. Fine. Now, इसका transpose calculate करेंगे तो we will get this. So, A plus B transpose, the whole transpose is equal to, this is just going to be 1 -1 0 -2 4 and 0. Okay. Let's call this as 1. Fine. Now, let us find A transpose plus B. A transpose plus B is equal to, first let me write down A transpose. B is this matrix over here. So it's going to be 2, 1, -3, 2, -1 and 3. इसको add कर लेते हैं. So we get 1. Then here we have -2. फिर here we have -1, 4, 0 and 0. Okay. And this I called as 2. So from here we get 1 and 2 say that these are the same matrices, and therefore from 1 and 2 A plus B transpose, the whole transpose, is equal to A transpose plus B. Okay, let's do the next question now. In the 10th question, we have to prove that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. तो इसके लिए we have two subparts. हर एक में पहले हम A transpose निकालेंगे. Okay, so this becomes 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then -2, -3 and 2. Fine. अभी A plus A transpose calculate करेंगे, तो for that we have to add these two matrices. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, next 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 2, then we have 2, then we have minus 2 and we have 4. Okay, and clearly this is a symmetric matrix. Now let's calculate A minus A transpose, which is equal to, now here we have to subtract, so 0, then we have -1, then we have 6, then we have 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus -3 is 4, -2 minus 4 is -6, -3 minus 1 is -4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. This is negative about the diagonal, right? So this is skew symmetric. That's it. हमें इतना ही करना है. अब exactly same procedure हमें next question के लिए करना है. So first step is to find A transpose. Then next we have to find the addition of these two matrices, which is 10, 5, 0, 5, minus 14, minus 3, then 0, minus 3 and minus 6, which is definitely a symmetric matrix. ये हमेशा symmetric ही होता है. Okay, and next we have to find A minus A transpose. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 8, then we have 1, फिर 0, then we have 7, then we have 8, then minus 7 and 0. Okay, and if you see, this is negative again about the diagonal, so this is a skew symmetric matrix. Fine. Now let us do the next question. In the 11th question, we have to express the following matrix as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. तो हमने पिछले वीडियो में सीखा था कि हम लोग को अगर एक मैट्रिक्स को एक सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स के सम के जैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो हम वो कर सकते हैं बाय राइटिंग इट एज हाफ इंटू ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज, एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज सिमेट्रिक. ओके, प्लस हाफ इंटू ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज. Fine. So we can say that P is equal to, let's say, half A plus A transpose, which is going to be symmetric. Okay. And Q will be half A minus A transpose. Okay. तो हम लोग ये ढूंढ लेते हैं और फिर हम दिखाएंगे कि ये symmetric और skew symmetric भी है. So first things first, I need to find A transpose. If this matrix I'm calling as A, तो फिर A transpose ढूंढते हैं. So that will be 4, minus 2, 3 and minus 5. Okay. And now let us find the value for P, which is A plus A transpose into half. So I'll write that down first, these two matrices, and then हम लोग इसको add कर लेंगे. इसको add करने पे we get, this is 8, 1, then this is 1 and this is minus 10. Okay. And this is a symmetric matrix for sure. Okay, so you can say that P is symmetric. Now next we have to find Q, which is A minus A transpose. So Q is equal to half into these two matrices, लेकिन अभी इसके बीच में होगा subtraction. Okay, so that will be equal to okay, So therefore we get that this is a skew symmetric matrix. उसके diagonal के opposite वाले जो elements है they are all negative of each other and जो diagonal elements है वो 0 है. So therefore this is skew symmetric. तो इसको ना हम और simplify करके भी वो half को अंदर लेके जा सकते हैं. We can write this as 4, half and -5 and इसमें भी हम कर सकते हैं. So we will get 0, -5/2, 5/2 and 0. Okay, and then A is equal to P plus Q. ऐसे करके हम लिख सकते हैं एंड में. ठीक है, that's it. हमें यही करना है. Now let us do the second part of this question. It is exactly the same. वापस हम लोग को A ट्रांसपोज ढूंढना होगा और P और Q. अभी सेकेंड पार्ट में I will not write all this. I will directly find P and Q. Okay, but in the exam you should write all of this when a question comes. So I call this matrix as A. Now I find A transpose. A transpose के लिए I will have to make the rows into columns. Okay. Now let us find matrix P, which is half into A plus A transpose. Okay. तो let's do this directly only. इन दोनों को add कर देते हैं. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. -1 minus 4 is -5. Then next, -2 plus 3 is 1, -2 minus 2 is -4, then 1 and -5 is -4. Next, -4 minus 1 is -5, -5 plus 1 is -4, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and we can divide by 2 throughout, so we get 3 half -5/2, then this is half -2, then here we have -5/2, -2 and 2. And you can observe that this is a symmetric matrix. Correct? हम Q भी ढूंढ लेते हैं. Q is A minus A transpose into half, which is equal to directly ढूंढते हैं. So इसमें से ये subtract करना है. तो 0, फिर 3 minus -2 5 हो जाएगा. -1 plus 4 हो जाएगा 3, फिर -2 -3 हो जाएगा -5, फिर ये -2 तो 0 ही हो जाएगा. 1 minus -5 तो 6, फिर -4 plus 1 हो जाएगा -3, -5 minus 1 will be -6 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0, 5/2, 3/2 and -5/2, 0, 3, then here we have -3/2, here we have -3 and 0. Okay, and we can say that P is the symmetric matrix and Q is the skew symmetric matrix and A is equal to P plus Q. Okay, now let us do the last question. In the 12th question, we have two matrices. हमें verify करना है that AB का transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose and BA transpose is equal to A transpose into B transpose. So for this, let us first prove the first one. ठीक है, तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will find out A into B. Which is equal to, now this is 3 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 3. जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये 2 और 2 है, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अब 3 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स आएगा. ठीक है, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज फर्स्ट रो इनटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, दैट इज 0 -2. आई एम डूइंग इट डायरेक्टली. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड विल बी दिस इनटू दिस, सो दैट इज 6 + 1 विच इज 7. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज -8 - 1 which is -9. Next, this is -4. Then next we have 9 + 2 which is 11. Then we have -12 - 2 which is -14. And then we have 2. Then we have 12 - 1 which is 11. Then we have -16 + 1 which is -15. Okay, this is the value for AB. Let us also find AB transpose. So that is equal to, इसका हम लोग को लेना पड़ेगा ट्रांसपोज. पहले जो रो है वो कॉलम बन जाता है. So this is -2, 7, -9. then -4, 11 and -14, 2, 11 and -15. Okay, now next we want to find A transpose and B transpose और फिर उसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. पहले B transpose निकालते हैं. तो ये मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लेना है. सो इट इज 0, 3, -4, 2, -1, 1 एंड ए ट्रांसपोज भी ढूंढते हैं. दिस इज इक्वल टू, अभी ये 2 क्रॉस 3 बन जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 2, 3, 4, -1, -2 एंड 1. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू. सो बी ट्रांसपोज इंटू ए ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू, which is equal to, again this is a 3 cross 2 matrix and this is a 2 cross 3 matrix. So इसका आंसर 3 cross 3 रहेगा. Now on multiplying I get -2. ठीक है. Then next I get -4, I get 2. Then उसके बाद I get 6 plus 1 which is 7. Then I get 9 plus 2 which is 11. Then next we get 12 minus 1 which is 11. Then we have -8 minus 1 which is -9. We have -12 minus 2 which is -14. We have -16 plus 1 which is -15. Okay, and this is the value for B transpose into A transpose. So you can see that we have got this as the same matrix and hence पहला जो point है वो verified है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास A transpose और B transpose है, पहले let us find the right hand side over here. Okay, so let us do A transpose into B transpose first. So A transpose into B transpose is equal to, now this is a 2 cross 3 matrix and this is a 3 cross 2 matrix. On multiplying we will get a 2 cross 2 matrix. वो ढूंढ लेते हैं. So 0 plus 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 is -7. Okay, next 4 minus 3 which is 1 plus 4 is going to be equal to 5. Next here we will have -6 minus 4 which is -10. Then here we have -2 plus 2, 0 हो जाएगा, plus 1. Okay, this is the value for A transpose into B transpose. अभी हमें ढूंढना है B into A फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल और फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज लेंगे एंड दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस मैट्रिक्स. नाउ B into A इज इक्वल टू, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज अगेन अ 2 cross 3 मैट्रिक्स और ये एक 3 cross 2 मैट्रिक्स है, तो हमें 2 cross 2 ही मिलने वाला है एज द आंसर. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करते तो वी गेट 9 minus 16 which is -7. Next here we get -6 minus 4 which is -10. Then we get 4 minus 3 which is 1 plus 4 which is 5, and lastly we have -2 plus 2 which is 0 plus 1. Okay, and finally हमें लेना है BA transpose which is equal to, now -7 -10 कॉलम में आ जाएगा, 5 and 1. And isn't this the exact same thing what we got for A transpose into B transpose? And hence the second part is also proved. So with this we have solved the entire exercise. I hope these concepts are clear to you.